When you need the highest quality furniture repair or restoration, there's only one place to go. All Furniture Services is the #1 service company with a host of awards, all won for providing customers with exceptional service. This professional team is at the forefront of both antique and modern furniture, repair and restoration for residential and commercial customers alike. Services include careful refinishing and restoring your antique furniture and artwork, matching colors, repairing veneers, repainting or re-gilding, even crafting and replacing missing parts. All Furniture Services will recane your grandmother's favorite rocker, carefully refinish your fine wood furniture, re-dye and regrain woods and leathers, and handle any upholstery repairs you need, whether they be fabric, vinyl, or leather, and also make permanent cosmetic repairs so invisible that you never know there was damage, even if the damage was severe. The team at All Furniture Services are also experts at repairing upholstered furniture, including framework and replacing or repairing springs and cushions, making necessary mechanical repairs to office furniture, recliners, or sleepers. They even disassemble and reassemble your furniture when you need to move it to another room or another building. And will work with you 24/7 if there's an emergency. And they don't just work with furniture, they'll clean and repair your rugs too, taking care to test for color fastness and using special extraction techniques if necessary. In other words, from residential to hospitality to commercial, All Furniture Services really does it all. For an appointment or more information, please call 1-718-268-2727 or visit online at www.furnitureservices.com.